Hi everyone, it's Lou Collins. Today on CraftStash I've got a 3-minute tip for you that I've been doing for ages and I didn't realise not everyone knows about this, but you can ink your dies to really emphasise those outlines. So first of all, I'm going to cut this beautiful leaf. This has come from a Papercraft Society box. It was my Autumn Textures one that's, I believe, still available. Possibly not after the Black Friday sales, but I'm going to cut this just on its own as you normally would, die cut, no ink or anything like that. So there's that die cut. Looks pretty good, but we can make this even better. So I'm just going to pop myself a blending mat down. I'm going to place my die with the cutting edges facing upwards towards me, and I'm going to take an ink pad. This is a dark brown, and I'm going to ink this die all over the cutting edges. Now, you're not really going to be able to see where the ink is because the ink will likely pool on the surface of the metal. So don't worry, I'm sure it's there as long as you've got ink in your ink pad. Again, the ink pad is also from an old Papercraft Society box. What I then do is take the die and I only hold it by the edges, but I place it down onto my cardstock and run it through my die cutting machine in exactly the same way again. So time for the reveal. So you can see we've got all our little pieces that need popping out, but what we've also got is a dark brown outline around all of the cut edges. This is just giving it a little bit more dimension, a little bit of a drop shadow, and really made those outlines stand out more. Let's just put the two side by side together. Look at that difference that has made. This one looks like the edges are sharper, more defined. I really love this effect. It's extremely subtle, but it's really going to elevate your die cutting to the next level. Thank you for joining me today. If you love tips and tricks like this, don't forget to subscribe to the CraftStash YouTube channel. All Papercraft Society boxes can be found here, and we think you'd really love this video just here too.